Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 air compressor sander available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Ingersoll Rand Dual Action Air Sander. Ingersoll Rand 311A is a quality polishing machine used to feather edging, trim hairs, prepare metals, and complete work on body fillers. It has an adjustable built-in regulator that offers positive speed control. A maximum free speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute. This is the perfect ideal to deal with tough jobs such as hair removal, metal preparation, and finishing work on body fillers. Moreover, the built-in silencer on the Ingersoll Rand 311A 6-inch heavy-duty dual-action quiet sander muffles noise while you work. This is a heavy-duty dual-action sander that is good for tougher sanding jobs, but it also has the ability to tackle finer finishing work simply by reducing the sanding action speed using its speed control. Not all sanders have this. It is also very quiet, as Ingersoll Rand have had the foresight to include a noise muffler to reduce sound. But remember, this is a heavy-duty sander and it is a heavy-duty consumer of air, so make sure that you have a sufficiently large compressor to support it. In addition, an integrated reduction silencer ensures improved handling and control, as well as a longer lifespan. It has a lever-style throttle that takes the pressure off your wrist and hand, reducing wrist and hand fatigue. And with just 4 pounds, the 311A won't make you heavy, even in all-day jobs. Another feature is its balanced ball-bearing construction, which provides unparalleled durability and precision. Number 2. Proshi Random Orbit Air Sander. Proshi 6 inches Random Orbit Air Sander is a built-in regulator in sander that allows you to adjust the speed with which you work to satisfy your different sanding, polishing, and waxing requirements, for quick and accurate results. It is ideal for a wide range of finishing projects, including smoothing wood cabinetry, furniture, and filler for auto bodywork, and it even removes paint. The highlight feature we need to mention is its 6 inches Random Orbit Air Sanders with lots of function. The 6 inches pneumatic sanders are designed for the counterweight to reduce user fatigue by reducing vibration. Besides, the 6 inches face has a hook and loop closure. Air sander with hook and loop face design can easily change the sandpaper. Sandpaper of various types can be installed. The low-profile, balanced design optimizes the performance of the pair sander, and the precision-balanced motor runs smoothly for greater comfort and control. The contoured rubber grip increases user comfort. It is suitable for iron, wood, plastic, metal, rubber, stone, marble, and other materials grinding, fine polishing. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand 315 Straight Line Air Sander. Ingersoll Rand 315 Straight Line Air Sander with 3,000 reciprocal strokes per minute simultaneously has smooth, reliable power. In addition, the twin-piston design saves extra power for tough sanding jobs like smoothing down body filler or shaping and leveling large flat surfaces, preventing stalling. Its design holds extra energy to prevent stagnation and to solve difficult sanding tasks. Once again, as with other IR sanders, this sander uses the adhesive-backed sandpaper disc system as opposed to Velcro or any mechanical attachment mechanism. However, this sander is very similar to the 300G described above, also made by Ingersoll Rand. In fact, there is so little difference between the two that it makes you wonder why they bothered with having 2 different series of sanders. Probably some marketing guy's big idea. However, the machine needs to lubricate through the inlet door before and after each use, and the oil chamber must be filled before use. Failure to fill the oil chamber will result in poor tool performance and possible failure. The product is almost a perfect design. Every detail is shaped to fit your hand perfectly, and the throttle helps to reduce pressure in the palm. Besides, you get the power and precision you need so you can do the best, the most sophisticated. Number 4. Mini Orbital Air Sander. The ZFE Air Random Orbital Sander is a versatile sander that can be used in a variety of applications. The ZFE Random Orbital Air Sander has high stability, low vibration speed, and low energy consumption. 15000 RPM. And it is easy to operate a mini sanding machine. ZFE Air Polishing Machine adopts an eccentric double rotary polishing method to make the polishing effect more uniform and smoother. ZFE Air Polisher adopts eccentric double rotation polishing method to make the polishing effect more uniform and smooth. Ideal for areas that focus on sanding, removing welds and rust marks on metal products, furniture and woodwork, mold manufacturing, automotive polishing, and detailed work, etc. Besides, the product is designed to fit and very light. So if the user has used it for a long time will not feel tired. The lightweight design is comfortable to hold and does not put a strain on the wrist or hand when in use. Number 5. Ingersoll Rand Dual Action Air Sander. The Ingersoll Rand 328B air-geared orbital sander is the perfect choice for heavy-duty sanding and large workloads. The dual-action geared air sander's smooth strength and power allow you to remove heavy material and body filler from large, flat surfaces, leaving a clean, swirl-free finish. It can work well with tackling tough jobs like sanding a large deck in bad shape, a boat hull, a load of lumber for fencing, an entire home's worth of wooden floors, and so on. Another feature is 8 inches pad, hence significantly larger than the typical 5 or 6 inch orbital. This pad will support the owner do the job quickly and is designed for heavy-duty tasks. Ingersoll Rand 328B air sander is powered by a large air compressor, preferably 80 gallons or more rather than batteries or your home's AC electrical system. This Ingersoll Rand has a 14-inch air inlet and takes a 3/8-inch hose as a minimum. The average amount of air consumed per minute is 4 cubic feet. The low vibrations make it easy to use and grasp during long work sessions. It has an ergonomic design to fit your hand perfectly, and it also features a lever throttle to take the pressure off your hand and wrist. Thanks for watching the video.